Okay. Now we disconnected this, and we need to know which ones are we going to jump. The light blue. Somebody shine a light. Well, light blue or light black. Light black. How can it be light black? Okay. You said light green, right? So light green, there's only one choice, so we're just gonna go in here. Okay. And then white with a black and white with a black. We got two. So let's just try this one.
The one closest.
You know, actually, there might be a number in here. Is there any numbers on this connector?
On this connector?
Look in the back.
Oh, here. Let me see. 10843.
No.
E2.
No.
2. There's a 2 right there.
Is that one of our numbers that we need? 2?
And 2, 4.
Do we need 2 or 4?
And 3. So it's like 2, 3, 4. So it's 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 and a 2. Okay, so it's 3 and 2. These two opposite ends.
So opposite ends.
Opposite ends.
So now I feel a lot better doing this because it matches a little bit more for the schematics telling me, right? So opposite ends. We go in here, and then we go in here. I don't want to force this, but okay. Now if I press this. Now the air conditioner just requested the fan on. Okay, this signal is going to the module, requesting it to turn on that output.
That out.
You guys see that?
Yep.
We can do this the same through the software. And I first wanted to do it like this, and then we're going to do it through the software, so you guys know where your problem may be or where it might not
Do
be.
that again, please.
Sure.
No, I mean just
The whole thing?
explanation. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like the numbers are on them.
All right. Let's first of all, you always look and see if you can find the numbers. So it looks like that's a 2. I don't know if you guys
No,
can
that's
see it.
2 and
It's
3.
right there.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's right here. It's right there. Okay, and then the other side,
The same place.
it's
3.
3. Number 3.
That's the 2
Okay.
we want, right?
Not only that, but I get a light green and I get a white with a black. So that also matches that, right? So you guys have to be careful, especially when you're requesting the module to do something.
Yes.
You don't just stick things, like that. Okay? Because burning a module is very expensive. So all I need to do according to schematic, there are opposite sides. This is something I made because I don't want to damage any connectors. This is the actual pins that some of this spade connectors take. Okay, and I don't want to force it. I don't want to come back. I don't want to poke the wire. I mean, look at the size of the wire. It's really, really small, right? So I don't want to mess up the problem even worse. And by putting a bigger connector, I'm going to spread those terminals, and now I'm not going to have any good contact, right? So now just get the two together. And does it matter how many times I go like that? Am I going to burn the module? You guys sure?
You're going
On and off, on and off?
What's the
I
voltage?
mean, that's exactly what the module is going to do. It's going to do that, and it's fine, right?
Do you feel
Now-
a click over there anywhere?
Yeah, which one?
The one we removed.
The one you took out? Okay.
Okay, take it out. I'm still hearing the clicking.
We can find the other one maybe.
That's what I'm wondering.
No, maybe somebody else.
Okay,
Yeah.
now let me ask you guys this.
That's the way to find it.
I guarantee you, and this is just because this is going to a module, that this is a ground. Is it? Okay. So can I go from here to chassis ground instead of jumping across like that? Which one? 2 or 3? 3. Okay. So somebody find 3, and let's get some ground.
3 was the white black.
Yeah, because the other one came from the ignition, from the AC and the other ground, right?
All right.
The other one
to
comes
a ground.
that goes to the ground. Actually, one goes to the ground, and the other one goes to the computer.
Yeah, but the one, but, yeah. I know, but the one the one come from not from the computer.
Yes, it goes to the computer.
No.
What happened? Nothing. You're on the right pin.
Number 3?
Yeah, number 3.
Nothing. For some reason, there's something. Which one? Which one is? Hang on. Let's go
It
back.
must be. It must be on 2.
2. 3 is already a ground.
Yeah, let's try.
Black tracer.
There you go.
The white
It
was
was on
black
2. It was on 2.
Yeah, because the other one
It was the green one.
according to the schematic, it's supposed to be the white with a black.
Yeah, well,
No, it's and right now it's like on the green one, light
Okay.
green. Look.
Yeah, because the other one comes from the LCN.
All the computer needs, it's a signal. It doesn't care if it's positive or negative. It doesn't matter, right? So electronics like the ground signals. So there's a bunch of ground cables. Guess what? Going to the computer. You think there's all this power going there? There's a whole bunch of ground.
That's that one, right?
Which one?
So what's the first thing that somebody you tell? Hey, my fan is not working. I said, oh, it's probably a ground. Does that make sense? What do you think? Are we providing a ground to the circuit?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. All of the circuits work the same way for the commands or the inputs. So yeah, he's right. It's probably a ground. That's right. A ground input signal, right? It doesn't carry any amperage, any voltage, any nothing.
You get a problem if there's a circuit sharing